Today we got a Mustang up here, and we got Mark here. He's gonna get some audio for us, and we'll do a couple of shots here. And I think this one's gonna be definitely our highest horsepower one, and probably our fastest one, almost guaranteed. So, Mark, you want to tell us about what we got done here?
Hey everyone. So this is my Roush. I just got it back. We've got a full custom engine. It's the parts list is kind of extensive, so it's hard to go through it all, but literally race block, everything. Different T56 tranny, Currie rear, McCloud clutches, VMP supercharger, running about 18 pounds of boost, and we dynoed at 762 with the tires on the pump gas tune. So this is about the third time I've driven it since I've gotten it back. Hopefully I don't miss any shifts, but she's sporty.
All right, well, cool. We'll get into that and give you guys some cool clips here. Well, that was definitely our most nuts one here. Yeah, that thing's pretty wild. So kept it on the road, and it was sweet sounding, and man, was that ripping. So anyways, Mark, thanks for bringing it up.
Yeah, thanks for having me, and I'm glad I disappointed a lot of the Chevy guys and didn't do the typical Mustang in the weeds.
Yeah, okay.
It was close. I thought about it.
Kept it on there.
Yeah, but yeah, it was fun.
All right, man. Well, yeah, thanks again, and sweet. This will be a pretty fun one to edit up. But all right, guys, that'll do it for this one.